Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Ewa Agoyin and Agoyin sauce. Let's get cooking. First, I'll be cooking my beans. I have honey beans, also known as Ewa Agoyin. I added water, onion and salt, and I'll leave this to cook till very soft. For our sauce, we'll be needing dried tatashe and dried chili pepper. You add in hot water to make it soft. If you know this pepper, you know it's hard, so you need it to be soft for easy blending. You soak it for some minutes and then you blend with onions. Once blended, set aside and it's time to fry. We need enough palm oil for this, guys. This is not the time to count calories. Enjoy your going with enough oil. Add your chopped onions to your bleached palm oil and let the onions fry till it's brown. Keep stirring until your onions turn brown. At this point, guys, your kitchen already has that Ágoyin aroma. The whole of your kitchen starts to smell like Ágoyin. This is actually the secret to that aroma, the fried onions. Now that it's brown, we'll be adding our pepper. Once the pepper is added, you start to stir it. With the Ágoyin sauce, it also needs a lot of stirring, so you're going to stir it a lot of times occasionally. Now I'll be adding salt and seasoning. Stir it together. Some people add crayfish, but I did not add crayfish. I wanted the real Ágoyin flavor without anything extra. It's been frying for a while and you see it's starting to dry up, but it's not brown yet. We need the sauce to actually be really brown, like dark brown. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid it burning or sticking to your pot. This has been frying for about 8 minutes. It is darker, but it's not what we intend to achieve, so we will keep frying and keep stirring on medium heat, guys. Please fry this on medium heat. And this is after 30 minutes of frying and stirring. Our Ágoyin sauce has gotten to the level we want it to get to. Can you see how dark that is? That is what we want to achieve. And now our Ágoyin sauce is ready. This is it, guys. Our sauce is ready to be served. Now I'll go back and check on my beans. I've been cooking this for a long time and now it's soft. If you have a pressure cooker, it makes cooking beans faster and easier. And now I'll be mashing this with my masher. If you do not have this, you can use omorogun, which is also known as turning stick, and use it to mash your beans till you achieve this consistency. And the beans is ready to be served. If you know how Ágoyin is really sold, you have to press it in the middle to get that vibe. So that's what I'm doing now. Press and spread. And then I'm adding my Ágoyin sauce on it. You can have this with plantain, with bread, gari, yam, sweet potatoes, whatever it is. I hope you guys will be trying this out. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.